In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make private channel in Microsoft Teams. This process allows you to create a secure, focused space within your existing Teams environment, perfect for sensitive discussions or projects involving only a subset of your team members. Let's walk through the steps together to get this set up efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by launching Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using the desktop application or the web version, locate the Microsoft Teams icon on your taskbar, desktop, or in your browser's bookmarks. Clicking on this icon will open the application, taking you to your main Teams dashboard. This is your central hub for all team communications and activities, and it's the essential starting point for managing your channels and creating new, more focused collaboration spaces. Make sure you are signed in with the appropriate account. Once Teams is open, your next action is to navigate to the team where you wish to add a private channel. Move your cursor over the name of any channel within that specific team on the left-hand navigation pane. You'll see a list of your various teams and the channels within them. Hovering over a channel name, even a general one like General, will simply highlight the team itself, indicating that you're about to interact with its settings. This action prepares you to access the options for that particular team. Now, with your cursor positioned over a channel within your chosen team, you'll notice a set of 3 small dotted lines appear next to the team's name. These 3 dots are universally recognized as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dotted lines to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides various management options for the entire team, such as adding members, leaving the team, or in our case, adding a new channel. It's a key gateway to customizing and expanding your team structure. From the drop-down menu that just appeared after clicking the 3 dots, you'll find an option labeled Add Channel. Select this option by clicking on it. This action initiates the channel creation wizard, opening a new window or pane where you'll define the characteristics of your new channel. It's important to differentiate this from adding new members. This step is specifically about creating a new communication space, separate from the main team feed within the existing team structure. In the new channel creation window, you'll be prompted to provide the essential channel details. Start by typing a clear and descriptive channel name. This name should reflect the purpose or topic of the channel, making it easily identifiable for your team members. For instance, if it's for a confidential project, a name like Project Alpha Confidential would be appropriate. Below the name field, you'll also have the option to add a brief description, further explaining the channel's purpose and guidelines to prevent any confusion. This is a critical step. Under the Privacy or Channel Type section, you'll see options like Standard and Private. For this tutorial, ensure you choose Private. A private channel means that only specific members you choose from the team will have access to it. It's not visible or accessible to everyone in the main team, making it ideal for sensitive discussions, leadership communications, or sub-teams working on restricted tasks. This choice defines who can see and participate in the channel's conversations and files. Finally, after you've entered all the necessary details for your channel name, description, and most importantly, selected Private as the channel type, locate and click the Create button, usually found at the bottom of the channel creation window. Clicking Create will finalize the channel setup. Teams will then prompt you to add members to this newly formed private channel, allowing you to select specific individuals from your existing team to grant them access, ensuring only the intended audience can participate.